We updated everything. With all the interest that we earned, it made us feel like we got a huge piece of this kitchen for free. I'm Claire. This is my husband, Prakash. We met in high school. Our daughter is 10 weeks old, very fresh. We had this big plan. We wanted to have our first home be something that we could earn money off of. And this had the right balance of a space that was comfortable for us to live in and one unit that needed a lot of TLC.
American dream is really about buying a home, but you have to save that down payment. Big banks are giving you basically nothing. So we're looking for someone to share some of that benefit with us.
That's when we found Wealthfront. We realized that they have a very competitive interest rate. It's really easy for us to compare what we would be earning in a bank versus with the Wealthfront cash account. Once we found this home, we did have to act very quickly. We had never transferred that much money in our lives before. We were kind of surprised at how simple and easy the Wealthfront transfer felt.
It's like someone had gone through this experience before and known what people struggle with in the moment, and then it was there when you need it. We're really trying to design for a financially sturdy future. You sacrifice now to have the flexibility, be able to make the decisions you want to make. That's really what financial freedom is really around.